Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions on the Bound channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's 9 in class again today. How have you been? On today's tutorial, we are going to continue from where we stopped on these surfaces in geodesy, right? Good. So we have defined the three surfaces, the geoid, ellipsoid, and the topographic surface. And then we have also shown you how to get what the undulation. We have visualized our points in a base map using QGIS, right? Good. So you can see that these are the points in red, and then you can see how maybe bit scattered they are in the different locations in River State, right? Good. However, on today's tutorial, we want to show you pictorially, what we have seen here is just for the demonstration. So we want to use our data to achieve something close to this or something similar to this, right? Good. Whereby we would plot what the ellipsoidal height alongside what the orthometric height, so that we can now appreciate what the geoid, or maybe the geoidal undulation or the geoid height, right? Good. So to achieve that, we are going to use Excel. First off, we can decide to highlight these three columns, which is the longitude, latitude, and what the elevation, right? Good. So this elevation is actually the ellipsoidal height, right? Good. So we come to insert, and then from insert we come to insert line or area chart, right? Good. So from there we click on 3D line or 3D surface, right? Good. So let's use this 3D line first off to see how it appears. Now from this 3D line, we have seen that we have three entities: the blue representing the latitude, the orange representing the longitude, and then this shade of gray representing what the H, right? Good. So it has given us the undulation of what the terrain, right? Good. So by merely looking at it, we can see that okay, somewhere around here is higher, this place is lower, and then this place is also maybe lower, right? Good. So we can interactively work on this chart that is provided. So this is the chart area that has been defined on Excel, right? Good. That was able to, or that was used to plot this chart we have here. So if we extend to the other height value, you now see that what a different height value has been used to plot what another surface, right? Good. So you now see from our legend that this other shade of, okay, this should be yellow, right? Good. It's now what the orthometric height that is below what our ellipsoidal height, right? Good. So this now gives you what a pictorial representation of something similar to what we have seen here. And then for you now to also appreciate what the geoidal undulation, which is what the separation, you can now see that from this point to this point there's a separation, right? Good. So from this point to this point there's a separation. So you now see that okay, this is how each of the elevations plot out, and then this is the separation on each point, or this is the separation what at each point. We can still extend our spreadsheet to this point. That will now give us what that level surface. Now that level surface is our n. That is what the undulation, right? Good. So we have seen the undulation to be around 19.0, so you can see somewhere around 19.0 to be a little bit below 20, right? Good. So this is telling you that okay, this other straight line is almost uniform. You can see 19.0, 18.6 or so. The difference is minimal, hence it's a bit straight compared to the undulation that we have for the two height values, right? Good. So this tutorial is just to show you that what we have here that defines, or that's generally used, let me use that, that's generally used to show what the orthometric height alongside the ellipsoidal height can also be replicated with your own data set, right? Good. So by looking at it, we have seen that the two height values have been plotted, right? Good. Like created a surface, and then we can see emphatically, because the essence of the tutorial is to show us what the separation, right? Good. So we can see what the separation. So if this separation is scaled out at each of the point, that's each of the latitude and longitude point, you are going to see that you would be seeing 19.05, 18.87, 18.85, as the case may be. So we have shown you on today's tutorial that having these three surfaces which is the geoid, ellipsoid, and the topographic edge surface, and then also defining their separation, which is what the geoidal undulation or the geoid height. We can practically show it, right, good, on Excel to define or to see the separation, right, good. So thanks for coming to class. This is just an addition to what we have explained earlier on the previous tutorial, right, good. So if you have any question, you can do well to reach out to us, and then we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We are going to see you on the next tutorial. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.